check out some of this setup, which we actually analyzed yesterday and even throughout this week. Okay, because today is Friday, so the week is already coming to an end. Okay, so we're going to see the general performance for this week and see how we can even improve on it. Okay, next time we try to trade. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So right here, we have Ganex 1200. Okay, we have Ganex 1200, and this has actually been on uptrend, on a very strong uptrend for a very long time. Okay, and it got to the resistance zone yesterday, and I told us that okay, this is going to sell if it does not break out above the resistance zone. It gave us a downtrend signal, and of course, later on gave us a sell signal. We had this setup, guys. We had this setup, and just the way I explained last night, it's activated the entry point, and we have now achieved the first TP, second TP, third TP has just been achieved this morning, and of course, the fourth TP also have been achieved. Try to do this pullback, but it is still going to sell. We are most likely to achieve this last TP. Okay, so this is so beautiful, and I'm happy that we are able to do this together. Okay, so this is a win-win opportunity for everyone that has taken advantage of a trade like this. Okay, so it is still selling, and we've started a new period already. Okay, so probably it will sell and achieve this, even if it's going to have a pullback or a switch in the direction of the trend right from there. Okay, now let's check out Gain X 999. Gain X 999 have been on downtrend for a very long time, right from this resistance zone. So 2 days ago it was on downtrend, yesterday also on downtrend, and today it has also started with downtrend and it is still selling, breaking out from most support zones. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Like I have explained to you, using the period separator and the custom or probably the trend trading strategy makes the work very easy. You can easily trace the performance of the assets in within the last period and use it to determine what is going to happen in the current period. So that makes it very easy for us to do. Okay, then let's move on, guys. For Paynex 1200, just the way we have seen it, got to this support zone at this point, and we actually thought it's going to buy, but it later on came down to break out below this support zone. And when it broke out below it, you can see it selling and also broke out below this particular support zone again. So it has been majorly on downtrend. So, and right now it is still selling because it's been breaking out from most support zone. That is for Paynex 1200. Now let's check out Paynex 999. This is another unique trade that we actually analyzed yesterday. This actually got to the support zone and it was unable to break out from there. So it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and we had an entry point at this spot, and of course a stop loss right here. We are also having some TPs highlighted for us right there, TP 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and just the way we have seen it as that yesterday within the last period, okay, it achieved the first and second CP pulling back, okay. But this morning, okay, it has achieved up to the third TP and add another pull. So it's trying to go back up again to see if it will be able to achieve the fourth and the fifth TP, which is also a good thing. So for those of you who are still within the trade, congratulations to you guys. You guys should be in big profit right now, and I'm really happy about that. Okay, now let's move on, guys. The last asset which you will be checking out is going to be volume 80. Volume 80 has actually got into this resistance zone about three times. Okay, so this is the third time it will be getting there, and right now it is giving us a downtrend signal and a sell signal also. So this is going to be our stop loss, and right there will be our entry point, and of course it has activated it already, so we should be in profit right now. So we are targeting the first TP at this point, the second TP at this point. Okay, because of here at least we've been able to achieve these two TPs even if there will be a pullback, and we have a third TP at this point, and of course fourth and fifth. Okay, let me try and change the color of this. Okay, because that is going to be the last TP for us. So this is the fifth TP. Okay, so let's see how far it will go. Okay, we just needed to break out below this for it to achieve the rest of the TPs. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. That is how it works. So let me quickly give you a quick recap on what we have been able to do here. Okay, the strategy we are actually using is a trend trading strategy. However, we are now adding period separator to it in order for us to use the previous period to know what is happening or what has happened within the previous period to determine what is going to happen right now in this period. That makes it very easy for us to analyze in a better way. And that is what we have been doing. And this has actually been helping us in a lot of ways. Okay. And you just need to follow the trend. You need to follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, if the trend is on downtrend, the signal you should go for should be a sell. If the signal, I mean, if the trend is on uptrend, then the signal you should go for should be a buy. It is as simple as that. Okay, so once you are able to get this right, then you are most likely to milk the market or whenever you go into any trade. Okay, I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.